Hello everyone, I'm Arifin Chowdhury, United Nations International Peace Organization, Press and IT Supervisor. Today we welcome you in UNIP UN News, where UNIP arranges the winter clothes and blanket provision giving event 2024 for needful people. They have really worked hard to make it successful. Now let's go forward. Thank you. UNIP Bangladesh arranges winter clothes and blanket provisions giving event 2024 for needful people. On January 28, 2024 at 4 p.m. our group United Nations International Peace Bangladesh held a winter clothes provision giving event 2024 for needful people. Ambassador Dr. Raju Saha started the program by giving the first blanket, starting the program, and welcomes all the volunteers and members of UNIP Bangladesh Chapter. Later, after distributing all the blankets and clothes, ending with their wonderful speeches. Also on this occasion, prominent individuals were present. UN Volunteer ID UNP 5691640 and the Ambassador of Brazil CONIPA Foundation, Dr. Raju Saha, the President of UNIP Bangladesh Chapter, along with the UNIP Executive Member and IT Supervisor, Humanity Honor, Dr. Arifin Chowdhury, by Public Relations and Officer, Sushanta Sarker, National General Secretary, Rafi Uddin Sujon, Gazipur CHIEF Coordinator Md Mowazzem Hossen Polas as speakers. Also, Executive Member Abir Chandra Md Sadak Hossain, especially in management, and other members were present. Then we went for some snacks and discussing the future activities and plans. Later on night, we went on different places, distributing cloth and blanket provisions to the needy people, and we made it succeed. Thank you everyone. We thank heartfully to the UNIP Bangladesh members, volunteers, and other normal peoples who have participated in this good giving project. Advocate Janabe Aditya, Advocate Mrinal Kanti Barai, Kazi Nasir Uddin, Abir Chandra, Arifin Hasan Chowdhury, Sushanta Sarker, Md Jainal Abidin, Zakir Hussain, Md Mowazzem Hossen Polas, Md Ramjan Ali, Md Kamal Jamil Hussain, Md Sadak Hossain, Al Amin Fahim, Mitun Mojumdar, Sushanta Barai, Md Adibul Islam, Labanno Das Tuli, Gobindo Chandra Das, Hasan Hasan Chowdhury, who have given their donation to help needful people. Thank you very much and thank you again. Later on night, we went on different places, distributing cloth and blanket provisions to the needy people, and we made it succeed. Thank you everyone. UNIP is committed to promoting peace, environmental, conversion, and human rights realization. They are committed to working with 200 nations, several foundations to make the world a better place, and it's in line with SDGs Sustainable Goals and Platforms. REF 234059 has announced by the UN. It is an international organization that operates according to a social framework that prioritizes the environment. As part of its recent statewide expansion, the organization formed committees throughout Bangladesh and worked to fulfill its goals and vision, while also assisting in the actualization of the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Keep an eye out for more upcoming plans to make a big and good difference for the little ones in our society. For more information updates, please visit our mobile and email. Thank you. Hand in hand, we face the storm United we weathered in every form. Though triumphs and trials we persist, in the vast tapestry we coexist. For in unity, in empathy's embrace, we find the strength of our human race. We thank our Muhammad Kabir Bhai for participating with us, with our team. Our mission was quite successful. Special thanks to Sushanta Sarker and Uddin. They were with us the whole time. We helped especially needed people who were in need, and it was quite successful. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.